Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today we're taking a look at the Singapore 6 and 8 seat dining sets. These modern dining sets combine aluminium with the natural look and feel of teak. They are the perfect materials for outdoor furniture, as it's lightweight, strong, durable and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This on-trend set will add a touch of modern living to any garden space. Hartman's weather-ready luxury cushions allow for maximum comfort. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams, flow through the permeable fibres and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable and secured to the frame with the self-coloured ties. All chairs are fully assembled, stackable and have resin feet to avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The 6-seater set comes with the 3-metre parasol and 15kg base, and the 8-seater set comes with the 3x2-metre parasol with 15kg base. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.